Okay, class. This is how you complete that virtual cell cycle lab. So if you go to Classroom, you'll see I have shared it with you, virtual lab, the cell cycle and cancer. Open it up. Instructions are here, and they're also on the link right here. On this document, what you'll need to complete. If you scroll down, these tables, you'll fill these out as you do the simulation, including table 3 and 4. To calculate table 3 and 4, you're going to have to follow the instructions right here, step 7 here. So make sure you pay attention to that. And then there are some questions at the end on this document. So let's open up that link to the virtual lab. So you'll follow the instructions and they're on the document as well. Okay, watch the video, learn more about cancer, the information, scroll through there. Okay, you want to do that first. Watch this little video that's on this TV. Then you'll click on the microscope. And this is where you'll be able to look at normal lung tissue, cancerous lung, normal stomach, cancerous stomach tissue, normal ovary, and cancerous ovary tissue. Okay, so for example, I'm going to start with normal lung tissue. I see that that's an interphase, and if you need a review of what the cell stages do or what's happening during those stages, you can click over there. I see that this one's also an interphase. This one's an anaphase. This one's an interphase. An interphase. So I can check my there, make sure I'm right, and I would count the cells. So I have 19, I've already counted beforehand. I have 19 cells in interphase and 1 in anaphase. So then I go back to this document. Under lung tissue sample number 1, number in interphase would be 19, and number in anaphase would be 1. You see under here I need another tissue sample of regular lung tissue. So you actually have to go back to your simulation, press reset, okay, and do it again, do it twice. Sometimes you'll have the same exact numbers, sometimes you won't, okay? So in this case, I would have the same numbers. So I have, I don't know why I can't do that. Well, it's not working. I'll do it again then. Interphase, 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 and that would be prophase. Check my answers, and I would count, and I see 19 interphase and 1 prophase. So I would go here, 19 interphase, 1 prophase. The reason why we need to do 2 samples is when we come down to table 3 and table 4 to calculate the average number of cells at rest and the mitotic index, you need 2 samples here. You need to follow the instructions. Number of cells in interphase in sample 1, in my case, was 19, plus the number of cells in interphase in sample 2, in my case, was 19, divided by 2 equals the average numbers of cells at rest. And I would take that divided by the total number of cells, which was 20, times 100 to get my percentage. And that is what I would write right there. So basically, you're going to follow the instructions, do your simulation here, your virtual simulation, collect all the data, and then at the bottom here, answer the questions. And minimum, this should take you about 30 to 40 minutes. And that is how you do that.